Hey, what's up guys? This is Guy here with KBTrainings. Welcome to this quick video in which I'm going to respond to a question that I receive here a lot on KBTrainings. As you know, on KBTrainings I go from zero to engineer. So most of you or some of you are beginners in this industry, in networking in general. And you're asking yourself, what are the best books that you can read as a beginner in networking? What books can you read to get you to master all the concept of networking? As you know, here on KBTrainings, I share with you most of what I know and what I'm still learning in this field. So I'm a network professional. But if you've been on this channel for a while, you might have seen my video in which I talk about books. I talk about reading. What I think in general is that you should read, of course, but I'm not a book guy. You know, that book person who has a huge library behind him with all kind of books, it's kind of disappearing. This is 2020. We have the internet. We have a lot of things. So I think if you really want to read, you don't need to invest into a lot of books. You should invest into something that will make you know what you have to research on the internet, and you can pretty much read anything on Google, on many websites. And by the way, on KBTrainings, I just started a blog. So I'm going to be writing articles in this blog here. If you go on the website and you click blog, this is the first article. Like most of the videos, not every, but most of the videos on this channel will be an article. This is the exact article in which I'm responding to this specific question about the books that you can read. I'm not saying that don't buy books, but you have the internet. That's where you can read a lot. You can read most of the things on the internet. But if you have to buy a book, or if you want to study, if you are a beginner, I'm going to advise you to get certified. So you need to pick a certification, a networking certification, and study for the cert and get the book for that specific certification. And at the end of the cert, you have the knowledge, and your knowledge will be structured in your head. Because if you are studying without any kind of plan or any kind of blueprint, you're going to be all over the place. There's a lot to learn in networking. So if you have a certification, it's going to be much easier for you. So the two certifications that I'm recommending, first, the CompTIA Network Plus. It's a very good one. It's vendor neutral. It's good to get when you are getting your feet in the industry. I started with it and then I went to the CCNA. And the second one you might have guessed is the CCNA. So if you are studying for the Network Plus, it will teach you a lot of concept of networking, and it's all going to be structured. For those two certifications, if you want to get the books for Network Plus, let's go on Amazon. If you do Network Plus on Amazon, you get some books, and I can recommend any of these books. This one, for example, or this other one. But yeah, I'll give you a link to get a book on Network Plus. And if you're looking for the CCNA, you can just type CCNA 200 301, and this is what you're going to get. Yeah, this is the one that I prefer. And if you get this one, you're going to study for your cert, and you will get certified after a few months of studies. And you also need to check out, of course, the official pages of these certifications. If you go on CompTIA.com, CompTIA.org, you can see this is the official page for the Network Plus. It gives you the details about the exam. And if you fill out this form and you submit, it's going to send you the exam objectives and some practice questions for you to know exactly what it is. So personally, I prefer the CCNA because it's more practical. The Network Plus is vendor neutral. So sometimes it's kind of hard to master some concept because you don't have any vendor that you can practice on. But if you go with the CCNA, this is the blueprint for the CCNA. If you just type CCNA 200 301 blueprint, this is what you get. Yep, it's right here. It's a PDF. You have a list of topics or a concept that you have to know before going and taking the exam. This is going to help you. This is going to just structure whatever you have to know. I also recommend to get some kind of training videos. I do videos myself on KBTrainings.com if you are interested. But any trainer or any training company is able to train you and walk you through the exam blueprint until you master everything and you can go and take the exam. So that's what I can tell you. But again, remember, you have the biggest book in the world. You have the internet. You should know how to search the internet. You have YouTube. You should go on YouTube and watch people that are doing networking stuff. You have all those means of study. So today you can just be alone and be in your bedroom, but still get a lot of knowledge, because a lot of people are online just like me, showing you what we do and showing you what is really necessary in this world right now as a professional. So yeah, that's it. That's all I can tell you. And I'll be doing a lot of Ask Me Anything type of videos. So if you like this, don't forget to leave the comment and like the video, subscribe if you are a tech guy and you like more of this. I will be coming with a lot of videos on the channel, so don't forget to do that for me. And check out the blog, and if you have any comment, just put it down below and I'll be able to follow that. Other than that, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.